Google Maps. In Google Maps, that doesn't mean na nandun ang WPs. Nakakaano naman yung Google Maps. Minsan nandoon, minsan wala. Hindi rin consistent. Ang tanong ko ganito, kasimple lang. That doesn't, would it mean na umappear ang WPS na word or yung halimbawa words, West Philippines in Google Maps, would that tantamount to a recognition by the global community? Would it tantamount to recognition by the United Nations system? Would it be tantamount by recognition by the claimant state like China, Malaysia, Brunei, and Vietnam? Would it make it that way? Is it the same? Of course not. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Take note. The Western countries is using the South China Sea in their geopolitical competition with China. So Google Map, saan ba yan? Di ba Western ano yan? The United States atang may-ari niyan, and even other Western maps. But do you think we will get some kind of international recognition just because it appears in Google Map? Of course not. Huwag nating lokohin ang ating mga sarili.